Today we're going to configure your Homelink garage door opening system in your new Cayenne. Before you begin the Homelink process, make sure your vehicle is in park. To begin this process, scroll down and select the Homelink icon, and then you'll select the button to configure. For this video, I'm going to select the first button. Now, I'm going to use your garage door remote, and I'm going to point it just towards the bottom of the mirror here and hold down the button. Now we're waiting for a pop-up in the PCM. There it goes. Now, configuration of your handheld transmitter is successfully completed. We're going to select the synchronize button and go program the garage door. Okay, so we're here in the garage with our garage door unit. Now, you may have a unit on the wall here, but you may need to program on the actual garage door opener unit. Make sure you check out your instruction manual for those instructions. Now here, we're going to select Menu. We're going to go down to Program, Enter, and we're going to go down to Remote. Now, it may say Learn, it may say Programmed, it may say a wide variety of different things. For this, we're going to select Enter. Now I've got 30 seconds to get to the vehicle to synchronize the two. Okay, so you've got about 30 seconds to complete this process depending on the manufacturer of garage door. So we're going to select it once to begin the process and a second time and see if it closes. It did not close. Okay, this happens sometimes. That's totally fine. We're going to do the process again. So we'll select next and we'll select no, it didn't work. Repeat the process. I'm going to try this again. Going to select once and then a second time to see if it works, and there it went. Worked just fine. Now that it worked, we'll select the next button here, and then yes, it did. Continue. The remote has been synchronized successfully. I'm going to select Finish. Now there's a second way to configure the Homelink button. We'll choose button 2 for this time. You just do a quick press and hold, and this pop-up is going to show up in the PCM. We'll select Configure, and you'll be right back in the process. You now have configured the Homelink garage door opening system in your new Cayenne.